I feel that you shouldn't get involved in an intimate relationship until you are emotionally mature.
Leave the past behind, just walk away. When it's over and the heart breaks and the cracks begin to show.
The question still remains, where do we get the name for our wills? We believe everything in life happens for a reason. We just made wills out of the wills out of the wills out of it.
Begin to show. Begin to show. Leave the past begin to show.